Welcome to Striped Backups. Some of the benefits of striping your backup include backup performance. We have the ability to stripe these backups and writing to multiple files, which gives us better throughput on those files. This also gives us smaller, easy to manage backup files. The reason the files are smaller is because only a piece of the information is stored in each file. Now we do have to have all the files from a backup set to do an actual backup of the database. So if we stripe the backup across two files, each of those backups is only going to contain half of the information. We'll need all the information within both those files to actually restore the database. If either one of those files is lost or damaged, there will be no way to restore the database. As I stated, in order to do a restore, you have to have all the files from that specific backup. You cannot mix and match files from different backups to try and create a new backup set. You have to have the files as they were individually created. You can write to one disk or multiple disks. By writing to multiple disks, you'll get better throughput because you're getting more I/O available to your backup operation. Striping your backups across multiple disks is fairly easy. You simply add additional files as a comma-separated list of targets. That command would change to look something like this. Backup database, my database, to disk equals some disk, comma, another disk, comma, a third disk, comma, a fourth disk. I have several clients that are doing this, and it greatly improves the performance of their backups in their specific environments, because they've got lots and lots of very large databases, which are being streamed out across to a very, very large NAS. Even though all the databases are being written to the same network share and the same disks, because of the size of their NAS and how large their databases are, we get a significant performance improvement by doing this. Now, this does make restoring databases quite a lot harder to do, simply because we have to have lots and lots of files available to us in order to do a backup. But the performance benefit we get is well worth the hassle when doing restores. So in summary, striping your backups greatly improves your backup performance. If any of your files are damaged or lost, unfortunately, the entire backup set is completely useless. Now, you can combine striping with mirroring by using the mirror to clause in addition to the stripe. Doing this simply requires that you put the mirror to clause, and the mirror to clause must have the exact same number of files as the original backup database statement.